Hello everyone, this is the fourth video of chapter 5, Land Resources in Agriculture. Today we are going to start with a very important topic, problems of Indian agriculture. यहाँ पे you can be asked a 5 marks question, what are the problems of Indian agriculture, or a 5 marks question, what are the solutions. The question will be regarding solutions. Okay, it can be framed in any way. And even you can be asked to describe any one problem in 3 marks or in 5 marks, or you can be asked to describe 2 problems in 5 marks. Anything can be asked. Means you need to be very ready, very sure that your answer is perfect in this particular topic. So let us start. Dependence on erratic monsoon is the first point. So monsoon is in India is irregular, unreliable, unpredictable, uneven, and irrigation covers only 33% of the total cultivated area in India. Okay, so this is the problem that you have to elaborate. Okay, I'll be giving you short points because it is not possible to remember everything which is given in book. But these are the points which you can build upon your answer, right? So the first problem is dependence on monsoon, and monsoon is irregular, unreliable, and only 33% of the total cultivated area is covered in the irrigation. Solutions for this problem is first rainwater harvesting, watershed management, then irrigation by lakes, wells, reservoirs and dams. Okay, so all these are the solutions. You can be asked a solution or a question direct नहीं आएगा, question थोड़ा घुमा करके आएगा, but then these can be the solution for the first problem. Next is low productivity. Because of high pressure on land, labor productivity is very low. Okay. Solution for this problem is intensive agriculture adopted in large scale. हमने पढ़ा है intensive agriculture last video में, so it is related to this only. Intensive agriculture should be adopted. Next is lack of finance. Lack of finance में basically the inputs are very expensive. Farmers have meager or no savings to invest. Crop failure and low returns have forced them to fall in traps of indebtedness. Okay, so these are the problems, and the solution can be sources of credit at cheaper rates can be made available by the government. Okay, next is lack of land reforms. In this, the points of concern are that firstly, there's unequal distribution of land. Second, historical factors are there, that revenue systems during British period like Mahalwari, Riyatwari, Zamindari were very exploitative. Okay, and after independence, land reforms were not implemented properly. Okay, so this is the problem why lack of land reform is leading to problems in Indian agriculture even right now. Then solutions can be land reforms and consolidation of land holdings, and redistribution of agricultural land should be undertaken. Next point is small farm size and fragmentation of land holdings. Okay, so more than 60% of the farmers are smaller than 1 hectare land, have land smaller than 1 hectare, and average size of is shrinking due to increase in population pressure. Now one thing that you need to mention is that because of right of inheritance, land goes divided and subdivided. Small farms are uneconomical. Okay, so and land consolidation have not been carried over properly. This is the problem of small farm size and fragmentation in land holding. Again, here solutions can be land reforms and consolidation of land holding, and redistribution of agricultural land, and also amendment in right of inheritance. But again, right of inheritance is very important right, so it cannot be amended right away. So this is a far-fetched solution, but don't mention it if it is not mandatory to mention. Okay. Then lack of commercialization. Um, Basically, large number of farmers produce for subsistence in India. As we read, this is even today this is a problem of Indian agriculture. Then farmers are forced to grow food crops. Okay, whether they want to grow cash crop or not, but they are forced to grow food crops in India because as we read in the last वीडियो, बहुत सारे जो गवर्नमेंट ने रिफॉर्म्स लिए थे उनमें से एक था शिफ्टिंग फ्रॉम कैश क्रॉप टू फूड क्रॉप्स. ओके, सो दिस इज द बाय प्रोडक्ट ऑफ इट. Then next is monetization and commercialization have taken place only in irrigated areas. So this is the problem of lack of commercialization. और इसका solution you can mention that commercialization should be encouraged in backward and non-irrigated areas as well. And yeah, so this is what you can mention. Next is vast underemployment. Agriculture is a seasonal activity, and people engaged in agriculture do not have opportunity to work round the year, particularly in unirrigated tracts. Okay, so this is the problem of vast underemployment, and in this solution you can write that people can be shifted from primary activity to secondary and tertiary activities. And the last point is degradation of cultivable land. Okay, excessive use of fertilizers, salinity, alkalinity, waterlogging has led to constant degradation of soils. So this is something that is a problem of degradation of cultivable land, and also land reclamation practices can be adopted to combat this particular problem. So with this we come to an end of our chapter 5, and in this we skipped one particular topic, that is different features of different types of crop, and I'll be doing it in one table in a separate video. So if you have any questions regarding this chapter, please ask in the comment box. Please like and share my videos and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.